the markets, they have finally broken out of that congestion zone we have been talking about, 22,500 to 530 odd levels. And this move, it's been driven by multiple sectors. Last week it was the banks and the realty stocks. Today it was metals and autos. Looks like we are truly on that pre-election rally that everyone was hoping for, isn't it?
Yeah. Good evening. What you're saying is right, because always whenever there is any event, we see similar sort of momentum in the market and similar sort of buying interest. For example, like if we are moving towards the major event of like election, then the broad-based rally should emerge in the market, and that is what that we are seeing. And in fact, in the previous month, uh, there was like good amount of profit taking, but despite that, in the last few trading sessions, we saw very strong comeback. So the broader pattern of the market is still indicating us that there is good amount of liquidity support in the market, and that is actually helping the markets to move higher. Today, not only BFSI, but also a few real estate stocks and auto companies did well, and IT stocks were also not that bad as they were like in the previous month. So broadly, we are of the view that yes, the markets are moving upward, but again, it is completely momentum and completely news-driven based market.
All right. We'll get to the factors that will perhaps pose some headwinds to the markets. We had spoken about it last time, but want to keep it with elections for now, sir, because at this point, I think the markets are expecting political continuity. And I mean, they are factoring in 400 plus seats for BJP this time around. So, do you think, I mean, if there is any disappointment on that front, let's say BJP is only able to rake in about what, 320, 350 seats, what sort of a correction can we expect in our market, sir?
See, like right now, there is, I would say the market is discounting to 370, 360 seats. But in case, if it comes to 320 or 310, then naturally it is going to fall. I'm not expecting any a major crash, but yes, there is a possibility that we may see correction more than 10% and max up to 20% sort of correction. Because
Wow.
see, otherwise, if we see the fundamentals uh, of the market or of the Indian economy, then they are very strong. So election is something which is like event for certain period, but after that again the corporates will start showing their numbers, and based on the performance of the corporates, the market will start moving accordingly. So I am of the view that yes, the disappointment will come, and because of the disappointment, we may see some profit taking, and that will actually push the market maximum 20% down from the current levels, or maybe from the highest levels.